Hi guys. So factorize 2a² plus 2 root 6ab plus 3b². Now this seems a little weird because we have suddenly a root 6 given here in the middle, which means that root 6 has to be dealt with seriously, right? So let's get started. So we have 2a² plus 2 root 6 a multiplied by b plus 3b². Alright. Now why root 6 here? Okay. This may kind of confuse a student at the beginning. So for understanding this, I feel that root 6 can be written as root 2 multiplied by root 3 to make sense. And this 2 and 3 could be obtained from these two terms that we have on the extremes. Alright. So having said that, how do we go about? Can we convert 2 as root 2 whole square? We can, isn't it? We have an a² sitting next to it and 2 here and root 2 dot root 3. Dot means multiplication. AB will be there as it is and root 3 whole square is equal to 3 and b². Does this make sense? Yeah, to a great extent. Now what next? Let's club this and this together because they both have the same power or same exponent. So root 2a could be very well represent this one and root 3b whole square would represent this. Alright. So I have 2 root 2a, okay, bringing the look of this here, and root 3b here and a plus sign which comes from the top. Now does this remind you of any identity? I'm sure it does. How? Because we have, since a plus a² plus 2ab plus b² equals to a plus b whole square, isn't it? So we have a square here, we have a square here, we have a 2ab. This entire thing is my a and this is my b, which is here. So can we not write root 2a plus root 3b whole square for this entire thing? We can, isn't it? Which means we found our answer. So we have got the two factors, which is this and this. You may very well leave it here on this, but if you want to swell it up, you can write like this also. Okay, so this happens to be our answer. Got it? So the only thing that you had to struggle here was, or to imagine was, root 6 was the key to open this lock, and which we did it very, very conveniently, because root 2 into root 3, which means whenever you have the same, supposing you have root m multiplied by root n, so we can write very well under the same canopy, that is square root, okay, multiplication, because they are of the same, okay, root standard. So coming to here, the identity that we used, okay, applied very much to this, and hence we were able to draw out or resolve the factors of this above. Alright, so this was easy in a way, just that if only you could unlock this. Okay guys, so the next one would be still different. It may be based on another identity. So keep a track so that we are able to explore the entire identity based factorizations. Alright, chalo, bye bye. See you soon next with the same kind of factorization problems. Thank you. Bye bye.